In today's world, staying connected is vital for businesses of all sizes. Telecom providers offer a wide range of services, from internet and phone services to cloud-based applications and managed IT solutions. However, choosing the right telecom provider for your business can be a daunting task, especially when considering the cost, reliability, and support options. In this guide, we'll cover the key factors to consider when selecting a telecom provider for your business. Identify your business needs. The first step in selecting a telecom provider is to understand your business's needs. Ask yourself what services you require to run your business effectively. Are you looking for high-speed internet, VoIP phone systems, or cloud-based applications? Understanding your needs will help you narrow down your choices and find a provider that offers the services you require. Consider the provider's reputation and experience. When it comes to selecting a telecom provider, reputation matters. Look for providers with a track record of providing reliable services and excellent customer support. A provider with years of experience in the industry is more likely to have a proven track record and the expertise to provide quality services. Evaluate the provider's network coverage and speed. The quality and reliability of your internet and phone services depend on the provider's network coverage and speed. Consider the provider's coverage area, the types of connections available, and the speed of their services. A provider with a broad coverage area and high-speed connections is essential for businesses with remote employees or those that require constant connectivity. Compare costs and contracts. Cost is a critical factor in selecting a telecom provider. Consider the provider's pricing plans, installation fees, and ongoing costs. Also, review the provider's contract terms, including the length of the contract, early termination fees, and any additional fees that may apply. Assess customer support and service level agreements, SLAs. Reliable customer support is essential for businesses that rely on telecom services. Consider the provider's customer support channels, such as phone, email, and chat, and their hours of operation. Also, review the provider's service level agreements, SLAs, to ensure that they offer guaranteed uptime and support response times. Look for additional services and features. Finally, consider any additional services and features that the provider offers. For example, some providers offer managed IT solutions, cloud-based applications, or cybersecurity services. These additional services can help businesses streamline their operations and enhance their security posture. In conclusion, choosing the right telecom provider for your business requires careful consideration of your business needs, the provider's reputation and experience, network coverage and speed, costs and contracts, customer support and SLAs, and additional services and features. By taking the time to evaluate these factors, you can select a provider that meets your business's needs and budget while providing reliable services and excellent customer support.